Hello students, today we have to start your exercise 1.2. From that exercise we have to solve your question number 2. I had already prepared the videos on question number 1 which is already uploaded on YouTube. So please watch this video, that is question number 1 from exercise 1.2. Okay. Now today we have to start your question number 2 from this exercise. So for solving this exercise or for solving this question, we need these rules. Okay, that means whatever the truth value, what is the truth value of AND operations, what is the truth value of logical OR, okay, single implication, double implication, how to calculate and what are the rules for all these things. We had already learned this part. Okay, just I want to list out here in short. Okay, what we have to do when we have to use the logical connective, that is AND. If the both statements are true, then and then only this is true, otherwise false. Similarly, for all logical connective is there, that is, if both input statements are false, then the output is also false, otherwise true. For single implication, if you have to get this pair, true and false, then you have to write there false, otherwise you have to write there true. Now, double implication, we have to check the same truth value of the both input. If the same truth values are there, then we have to put there true, otherwise we have to put the false. So by using these rules, we have to solve these questions. Okay. So for first question, or what is the second of question is there, that is using truth table, prove the following logical equivalence. Equivalence means what? Both the or truth table of the different statements are equal. Okay. Suppose there are two statements P and Q. So whatever the truth table of P and Q are equal, then we have to write it as these three lines, and these three lines represent equivalence. These three lines represents equivalence. So we have to draw or we have to construct the truth table of these statements, and we have to show that this statement is equivalent to this one. Okay. So how to solve this question? First of all, find out how many statements are there. That is two statements. So what are the possible truth values of this one? That is 4. Okay, possible combination of truth values are 4. So when we solve this one, we have to write down first P and Q, and then we have to write down the truth values of them. True, true, false, false. Then true, false, true, false. Now, first of all, solve this one. For solving this, we need not of P first. So how to calculate not of P? We have to consider this one. So not of P means what? True is converted to false, then true is converted to false, false is true, and false is true. Now we have to perform the AND operation. That means not P and Q. So for this one, we have to consider this one as the first and this one is the second. Okay. So for AND, what is the condition here? If the both statements are true, then and then only the you and logical connective is true. For this one, a true false, false here, false false, false, true true, true, and false true, false is there. Clear? So this is your output of the first one. That means we have to solve this part. Okay, we have to complete it for solving this one. Next, we have to solve this one. That is, for solving this, we have to do or we have to solve this bracket first. What is the big bracket? P or Q. That means we have to perform all logical connective here or all operations with P and Q. For all, what we have to check? We have to check the if both statements are false, then your result is false. Otherwise, true. So true, true, true is there. True, false, true, false, true, true, and false, false get false. Clear? Now we have to perform AND operation with this one. We have to know the value of P or Q and also we have to know the value of not P. That means we have already calculated. So what we have to consider first? We have to consider this one as first and this one is second. So we have to perform an AND operation. So check. False true, false, false true, false is there, true true, true, true false, false. Now this one is your first statement and this one is your second. So just observe this. They are saying false, false, correct, same, false, false, same, true, true, and false, false. That means we have to show that these two statements or these two statement patterns are logically equivalent. So highlight this one, and this one. So we have to show the equivalence of this statement pattern with the help of truth table. Okay. Now similarly, we have to solve the next question. If you want to write this, take the screenshot of it. Next question, that is not of this bracket or what? Not of P and Q equivalent to not of P. Okay. So we have to show this equivalence with the help of truth table. So how many statements are there? That is two statements. So P and Q. So write down the truth value: true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. Okay. Now we have to solve this one. First of all, for solving this, we have to calculate the P or Q. What we have to calculate? P or Q. Then only we have to calculate the not of this. Okay. So for or, what is the what condition? If the both statements are false, then and then only we have to get the false. Otherwise, true. So true, true, true. Here is false. False, false, get false. Now next we have to calculate not of this. Not of P or Q. That means true is converted into false. Then this one is false, false, and this one is true. Now next one we have to calculate here. We have to solve this one. First of all, solving this, we have to calculate first not of P. So what is not of P? This one, consider this one. So true, true, it is false. This one is also false. This one is true, and this one is true. Next, we have to perform P and Q. Not of P and Q. That means we have to consider this one as first and Q as the second. Okay. So for and. So if get true, true, then we have to write the true. True, false, 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 false is there. True, 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 false, true, false. Okay. Now, next one is there. That is we have to find out not of this one. What we have write? Not of in bracket P or Q or not of P and Q. Yeah. Now, which one we have to compare? That is, we have to consider this one is the first and this one is second, and we have to perform the OR operation. So false, false, false is there. False, 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 true, 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 false, true. So we have to what? Check the equivalence with not of P. So what is the first here? That is this part. And we have to check not of P with it. So just observe the truth values of this one. False, false, same, false, false, true, 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 true. That means we can say that these two statement patterns are equivalent. And we have to show it with the help of this truth table. Okay. If you want to write this, take the screenshot of it. Now we have to solve the next question. Next question, question number 3. So check how many statements are there. That is P, Q. Only two statements are there. So we have to write down P and Q here. So true, true, false, false. Now next true, false, true, false. Okay. First of all, calculate this one. P double implication Q. Okay. When you have to get the same truth values of the first statement, then you have to write the true. Okay. So true, true, true here. True, false. Difference to is what? Truth value, that means false is false and false, false get true. Okay. False, false get true here. Now this one part is completed. Now next we have to solve this one. So for solving this, first of all solve this brackets. That is P or Q. Okay. So for or, this one is false. What? This one is, sorry, this one is true. This one is also true. This one is true and this one is false. Okay. What we have to do with our operations? If the both statements are false, then only this result is false. Okay. Now next we have to solve this bracket. So for solving this, we have to find out first this one. P and Q. So P and Q. That means if both the true, then only it is true, otherwise false. Now we have to calculate not of this one. So not of P and Q. So not of this what? True is converted into false, true, true, true. So we have to done these two parts. Okay. Now perform the AND operation with these two. So how to write? Suppose P or Q and not of P and Q. That means we have to first consider this one, second is this one, and we have to perform AND operation with it. Which operation? AND operation. So for AND, true, false, 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 true, false. This one is false and this one is also false. Okay. So now next one is there. Sorry. For AND operation, correct? Yes. For AND operation, we have to take these two. Okay? No, this one is one. This one is there. This one is first. Therefore, this one is wrong. Okay? This one is the first and this one is the second. So false, true, false, false. True, true, true is there. True, true, true is there. Then it is false. Now, next one you have to complete this bracket. You have to complete this one. Next one you have to take the not of whole bracket. That means suppose this one is the 1 or we have to write here. Actually I have no space here. So I have to write here this is a 1. Okay. This one is 1 I have to write here. And next we have to put here not of 1. That means not of this one. So false is true. True is false. This one is false and this one is true. That means you have to complete this side. Full side you have to complete it. And we have to calculate this one also. So compare this one and last one. So check the values of each one. True, true, false, 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 true, true. That means you have to show the given statement pattern with the equivalence with the help of truth table. Okay, if you have to write this, take the screenshot of it. Now next we will solve the question number 4. Next, that is question number 4. Okay, so how many statements are there? That is only 2 statements are there. So write down P and Q. That means true, true, false, false. This one is true, false, true, false. Now next we have to solve this side. For solving this, we have to solve this first bracket. That is Q single implication P. Okay, so for solving this, we have to consider this one is the first statement, this one is the second. So for single implication, what we have to check? That is we have to check the pair like true and false. Then only it is false. Okay, true and false. True, true, it is true. False, true, it is also true. But true, false, it is false. And false, false, it is true. Clear? Now, next one is there. That is we have to find out this one. P single implication, Q single implication of P. That means we have to check first this one, this first statement and this one second. So true, true, true is there, true, true, true is there, false, false, true is there, and false, true, that is true is there. Clear? That means you have to get here all the truths. Okay. Now, next one is there. That is we have to just complete this part. Now next we have to solve this one. We have to calculate first not of P. So true is false, this one is also false, this is true and this one is true. Okay, so we have to complete this one. Now next we have to calculate this part, that is P single implication Q. P single implication Q. So true, 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 false, 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 true, 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 sorry, false, false, true is there. Clear? Now next we have to perform not of P single implication Q. That means this one is the first statement, this one is the second. Okay, so false, true, true, false, false, true, 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 false, sorry, true, true here. Okay, only we have to get true and false there, then we have to write down the false, otherwise true. So just observe this one, we have to complete full part of this. Okay, so for this column is there. Okay, and for this one is the output. So just observe these 2 columns. What we have to do? True, 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 Means all the truth value of these two statements are equivalent. Therefore, we have to construct a truth table of this statement. If you want to write this, take the screenshot of it. Now, next we have to solve the question number 5. Next question number 5. So, how many statements are there? That is 3 statements. So, for 3 statements, we have to write down such combinations of this one, these truth values. Okay. There are 8 truth values are there. Okay, 8 combination of the truth value. So for solving this, first of all solve the bracket here. That is P or Q. First of all solve this one, P or Q. That means we have to perform OR operation. That is true, true, true is there. This one is true. This one is also true. This one is true. False, true, true. False, true, true. False, false. False and false, false. False is there. Okay. Now P or Q, single implication R. Okay. That means we have to perform this one is the first statement in single implication of these two. So true, 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 false. This is false. True, 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 false, false. True, true, true is there. True, false, 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 true, true, false, false, true. Now we have to complete this part. This one is there. That is P, single implication R. We have to perform these two operations, or we have to perform single implications of these two statements. That is P and R. P and R. So true, true, true is there. True, false, false. True, 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 false, false. False, true, true. False, false, true, false, true, true, and false, false, true. Now next, Q single implication R. Q single implication R. This one is the first and this one is the second. So true, 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 false, 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 true, true, false, false, what? True, true, true. True, true, false, false is there, false, true, true, and false, false, true. Now we have to complete these two. Now we have to perform AND operation with this. That means P single implication R and Q single implication R. This one is the first and this one is the second. Okay. So true, true, true. False, 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 true. This one is false, true, true, true. This one is false. This one is true and this one is true. Okay. So just observe these two here. This one is your first statement pattern and this one is the other statement pattern. So compare the truth values of each. So each and every truth value matches or equals. So therefore, we have to show here this statement pattern or equivalence of these two statement patterns with the help of truth table. So next, we have to solve the 6 number questions. If you want to write this, take the screenshot of it. Now, next we have to solve the 6 number question. Okay. Next, question number 6. So how many statements are there? 3 statements. So write down the all possible combinations of truth values of these 3. That is 4 times true, for P 4 times true, 4 times false. For Q 2 times true, 2 times false. 2 times true, 2 times false. This one is true, false, true, false, true, false, and this one is true, false. Now next we have to calculate Q and R. For solving this, first of all calculate Q and R. Q and R. Okay. So true, true is true here. True, false, 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 true, false, 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 false is there. True, 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 false, 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 true, false, and false, false get false. Only one condition is there. If both inputs are true or both statements are true, then only you have to get true here. Otherwise, false. Now, next one is there, that is we have to complete this part. Now, P single implication Q and R. That means you have to perform single implication on P and this one. Okay. So for single implication, what we have to check? We have to check the true and false there. Okay. So true gets true here. True false gets false. True false false. True false false. False true true. False false true. False false true and false false get true. Okay. Now next one, we have to complete this part. Okay. Now next we have to calculate P single implication Q. What we have to calculate? P single implication Q. So single implication true 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 false false true false 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 true true false true true false false true and false false gives true. Okay, so we have to complete this one. Now we have to complete this part, that is P single implication R. So true is there, true false false, true is there, true false false, false true false false, true false true and false false gets true here. Now last one is there, that is we have to perform AND operation with these two. So we have to write here P single implication Q and P single implication R. That means you have to perform AND operation with these two. Okay. So for AND, what we have to check? True is true, true false false, false true false, false false false, true gets true. This one is also true, this one is also true, and this one is also true. Okay, that means whatever the AND logical connective is there, if the both statements are true, then and then only we have to get the true. Otherwise, we have to get the false. So compare this one. This one is your first statement pattern, and this one is the second statement pattern. So check this one. Truth values of these two. So truth values of these two is what? Each and every truth value of this one is same. Okay. So for this, we have to show here the equivalence of these two statement patterns with the help of truth table. Okay. So this is your question number 6. So if you want to write this, take the screenshot of it. Now you have to solve the next question. Next question, question number 7. So observe this question. What we have to see here, that is P single implication, this bracket Q and R equivalence to what? P and Q, and there is no symbol here. Okay, that means not provide any symbol here. It may be and, or, not, single implication, double implication, but there is no symbol of with these two statement patterns, so we cannot able to solve this question. Okay, so we have to check that which logical connective is there which satisfies the logical equivalence with this statement pattern. Okay, so we cannot solve this question because we don't know which is the logical connective is in the place of this one. So we have to skip this question. So now we have to start the question number 8. Okay, it may be creative mistake. Okay. Next question, question number 8. P and Q or R equivalent to this statement. Okay. So how many statements are there? That is 3 statements. So write down the all possibilities P, Q, R. So true, 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 false, 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 false. Then true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. Here true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. So for solving this one, we have to solve first of all this, that is Q or R. So Q or R. So true is true, true false true, false true, false false get false, true false true, false true, false false false. We have to write down false only the both statements are false. Now P and Q or R means we have to perform AND operation with this two one. So AND, for AND we have to know the both the statements have the truth value is true. Means both statements are true, then at the only we have to write down the true. That means true is there, true, false, true, false, true, false. This one is also false. We have to complete this part. Now we have to solve this one. P and Q. So P and Q. True. This one is true. False. This one is false. This one is also false. This one is false and this one is also false. Okay. Now next. P and R. We have to perform AND operation with these two. True, false, true, false, true, false, true, false, and false. Now we have to complete these two. So we have to perform OR operation with these two. So P and Q or P and R. So we have to perform OR operation with these two. So true, false, true. This false is false. True, false, true, false. This one is also false. This one is false and this one is false. Okay. So just observe what is the first statement pattern? This one. And next one is this. So observe the truth values of each the combination. That means they are equal. Okay. So therefore we have to show that equivalence of these two statements. Okay. So if you want to write this, take the screenshot of it. Now we have to solve the 9th number question. Okay. Next question number 9. Okay. So how many statements are there? That is 3 statements. So we have to write down the OR combination of this one. Okay. That is 3 statements or truth values of these 3 statements. Okay. Now for solving this one. So first of all solve P and Q. What we have to solve or Q. P or Q. So true is true, false, true, false, true, false, and false. Now we have to calculate not of this. That means true is converted into false. This one is false, true. Now next, P or Q, we have to already know this value. So we have to perform AND operation with these two. So how to write? Not of P or Q or operation with these two. P or Q. Okay. So we have to perform OR operation with these two. Okay. So this is your first statement and this is your second one. Clear? So true, false, true, false, true, false, true, true is there, false, true. Okay. False, true, false, true, false, true, and true. That means all the values are true here. Then you have to perform AND operation with this one. AND R. Okay, suppose this one is 1 and this one is R is 2. So we have to perform 1 and 2. Okay, we have to perform 1 and 2. So for AND, what we have to check? We have to check the both inputs are true. Then and then only it is true. So true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false, true, and true, false. Okay. this is your first one. This is your result of this full statement. Now observe this one. Whatever the result of this one is the result. Okay. What is the result of this first statement? Okay. This one is there. And then R. Compare this. So compare these two. So each and every truth value of this one is what? Same. So we have to show now. Therefore, we have to show the law equivalence of these two statements. Okay, with the help of truth table. If you want to write this, take a screenshot of it. Now we have to solve the last question. That is question number 10 from your question number 2. Okay. So how many statements are there in this question? That is two statements are there. That is P and Q. So P, Q. So true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. Okay. You have to get these values. So first of all, solve this one. That is P double implication Q. So for double implication, what we have to check? We have to check the same truth values of the both statement. That means true, true, it is true. True, false, false. False, true, false. And false, false, same truth value level is true. So you have to calculate not of this. So not of P double implication Q. That means true is false, false is true, false true, true is false. Okay. Now next you have to solve this one. So for solving this bracket, you have to get the value of not Q. So find out the not Q. Not Q. Sorry. Not Q. So true is false, false, true, true, false, false, true. Then we have to find out P and not Q. Okay? But whatever the value of P and not Q, we have to calculate here. P here and not Q. So true, false, false, true, 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 false, 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 true, false. Okay? So this is we have to calculate here. Now next, we have to calculate not of P. So true, true, false, this one is false, this one is true, this one is true. Now perform these two. That is Q and not of P. Q and not of P. Q and not of P. So true, false. What is the value? That is false. False, false, false. True, true, true. False, true, false. Now last we have to do this one. OR operation with these two. Means this two. Okay. So I have to erase this one. That is P and Q not Q or Q and not P. Okay, that means this two. We have to perform OR. So false, 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 true, false, true, false, true, true, false, false, false. So what is the first one? This one. So compare this with this. So check the truth values of this one. False, true, true, false. False, true, true, false. That means you have to show the equivalence with the help of the truth table. So in this way, we have to complete your question number 2 from your exercise 1.2. Now in next video, we have to discuss about the question number 3. So thank you students. I hope you have to understand from this video. So please like it, subscribe it and share it to your friends. Thank you.